You're working hard in the gym, pushing every set, trying to get stronger and bigger. But what if you're actually holding yourself back without realizing it? Today, I want to talk about two big mistakes that kill your progress: not tracking your macros right and overtraining. These are sneaky traps that mess up your results for a lot of people. First off, let's talk about macronutrients: protein, carbs, and fats. These aren't just buzzwords. They're what your body needs to recover and grow. Every gram matters. Protein helps repair and build your muscles. Carbs give you the energy to power through your workouts. And fats? They're key for hormones and absorbing vitamins. If you don't track these properly, you're basically guessing what your body needs. And that's a gamble that rarely pays off. Imagine you're trying to bulk up, but you're not eating enough protein. Even if you're training hard, your muscles won't get the building blocks they need. Or maybe you're trying to lose fat, but eating too many carbs without realizing it, which just slows down your progress. A good rule of thumb? Shoot for about 0.73 to 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight. So if you weigh 154 pounds, that's around 110 to 150 grams of protein a day. That's like 4 or 5 chicken breasts. Knowing this stuff makes a huge difference. Now onto overtraining. More isn't always better. If you're doing too many exercises or sets, your body can't keep up. Remember, you don't grow when you're working out. You grow when you rest. There was a study that showed cutting your training volume by about 30%, while focusing on working out harder and recovering properly actually helped people get stronger by almost 20%. Crazy, right? If you overdo it, you get tired, your reps suffer, and your gains stall. So focus on quality, not just quantity. Bottom line, track your macros, train smart, and don't forget to rest. Balance is everything.